everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you a small business or a startup that doesn't have the capital to invest into marketing activities or marketing apps? Then this video is for you because I gathered a whole list of absolutely free apps that you can use for your marketing activities from Zoho ecosystem. So you can finally start off that marketing and get your business off the ground and scaling and bringing much more clients in. Before I begin, please make sure to subscribe to our channel because this is a very useful information that we share here absolutely for free. We also have done a video about all of the sales apps that you can use for free within Zoho. The link will be in the corner and down below in the description box. And we plan to make even more videos because there's much more departments where Zoho offers absolutely free apps for you to use. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So let's get on into this video because it will be very, very useful. And we will start off from Zoho Campaigns. It's an email marketing tool that you can use for absolutely free. So I want to talk about what you can do actually with the free version. So Zoho Campaigns absolutely free version offers up to 2,000 contacts and 6,000 emails per month, which is great. It also includes 5 users, sign-up forms, some ready-to-use email templates, even though they're a bit limited, and also compliance check, which is an amazing opportunity for any startup business to start off the email marketing absolutely for free. Moving on to social media marketing and Zoho Social that you can also use absolutely for free. Let's see what you can do with it. So free version of Zoho Social includes one brand with 6 different social media channels, including X, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn company page, and also LinkedIn profile, and a Google business profile. It also includes 1 team member, 24/5 email support, and 5 AI credits. Obviously, you want to know what clients think about you, and how can you do that? With surveys. So there's an app of Zoho Survey, so I want to tell you about the free version of it. So Zoho Survey free version includes 1 user, unlimited numbers of surveys that you can create, unlimited collectors per survey, 10 numbers of questions per survey, and 100 numbers of responses per survey annually. It also includes over 250 survey templates, survey builder in 26 languages available, email distribution, and also real-time responses and export surveys in PDF. Also, the free version includes all of the different security and privacy features, so all of the data is protected. If you're planning to host any events, then Zoho Backstage is the app that you're looking for, especially when it has a free version. Zoho Backstage free version includes unlimited events with 100 attendees and 300 RSVPs inventees per event and 3 sessions with duration up to 45 minutes per session. It also includes 3 speakers per event and also spaces available as add-on. Also, this version includes drag-and-drop website builder, RSVP management, session management tools, basic event analytics, check-in and badging solutions, built-in webcasting software, third-party webcast services, and also mobile apps for organizers and attendees, which is an amazing list of features for a free version. Let's talk about lead generation. So there's an app of Zoho Leadchain that you can also use absolutely for free. So Zoho Leadchain free version includes 50 lead data synchronizations per month from your lead ads. It includes unlimited chains, unlimited users, real-time synchronization, and unlimited ad accounts. The ad accounts include Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. And from all of these channels, you can gather the leads and get 50 leads data syncs per month for absolutely free. The next app that is very, very useful for marketing is Zoho Publish. So let's talk about this app and the free version of it. So Zoho Publish helps you to manage all of your Google business profiles, and the free version includes connecting and managing Google business profile, unlimited business groups, view business information, view reviews, listings on Google, summary emails, and also analytics. And if you're planning to build any communities, then Zoho branded communities app is also for you, especially when it has an absolutely free version to use. So Zoho Community Spaces offers a free forever plan designed for small communities or for testing the platform before upgrading. It includes purpose-driven spaces, so you can create dedicated areas with tailored feeds for specific topics or groups, discussion and knowledge bases, so you can access basic forum, article, and resource sharing tools, and event management, so you can host standard community events and track the attendance of them. As you can see, there's so many diverse different apps for different channels of marketing that you can use absolutely for free. And when you scale up, you can also buy pro versions of these apps. So this is great for any small business or a startup. And I hope that this was helpful for you. Also, the links to all of these apps and their free versions will be in the description down below, where you can find all of the links. And also there you can find a link to a consultation, a free Zoho consultation. So if you're interested in Zoho implementation, customization, or integration, then you can book a consultation with one of our experts and we will answer all of your questions. And you can also leave the questions in the comments down below and we will answer to all of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this was helpful for you, and now I'll see you in the next week's